Hi, this is Gail King. Recently, I needed to make an important decision, so I began to pray about it. And I'm so glad that I did because God told me exactly what to do. And I'm sure I could not have arrived at that decision if He hadn't helped me out. So, what's the best way to make a sound decision? The best way to make a wise decision is to bring God in. And don't let the enemy tell you that God isn't answering your prayers, you're not good enough, He doesn't want to hear from you, or that God is just trying to take everything from you. That is not true. And sometimes we go ahead and make faulty decisions because we don't ask God. We don't want to hear God's opinion. And sometimes we just want to do our own thing. God is never trying to take anything from us. He's trying to get us and give us every good thing we desire. And that includes love and companionship and provision and promotion and every good thing. So, when we have an important decision, we need to be protected. And when we reach out to God, we receive protection from loss and deception and even heartbreak. Let's ask God for wisdom and guidance. God will never ask us to do something wrong to achieve what's right. So if there's a voice telling you to do something wrong, it's not God. Listen for God's answer and obey. There's a righteous way out of every dilemma. Remember Proverbs 3:5-6. Trust in the Lord with all your heart. Lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways, just acknowledge Him. He will make your path straight. And that's a promise.